In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make image generation tool by Base44. We'll build a simple, polished AI image generator using Base44's natural language app builder, so you can go from idea to a working prototype in minutes. First, open your browser and go to the Base44 app. Give it a second to load and make sure you're on a stable connection so assets and previews render smoothly. On the left sidebar, click Home to get to the main workspace. This is where Base4 collects quick start options and the tool we'll use next. Find and click Describe the app. This feature lets you outline what you want in plain English, and Base4 assembles the interface and logic for you. In the text box that appears, type a clear specification. For this walkthrough, enter Create an AI image generator app with a text prompt input, a generate image button, an image preview gallery, a download button, and a dark modern UI. Keep the phrasing concise and specific, just like that, because clarity helps Base44 set up the right components without guesswork. When your description looks good, click Submit. Base44 will process your request and spin up an app scaffold based on those requirements. This can take a moment, so let it finish. You'll be taken to a preview where the interface is already arranged with the prompt input at the top, a prominent generate button, a gallery area for results, and a modern dark theme. In the preview, click into the prompt field and type what you want the AI to create. Strong prompts usually include a subject, setting, style, and any important details. For example, a cozy mountain cabin at sunrise, cinematic lighting, detailed, high resolution. You don't need to overdo it. A single clear sentence works well. If you're experimenting, start simple, then refine with specifics like lighting, mood, or camera angle. Next, click Generate. The app will send your prompt to the image model behind the scenes and begin rendering. You may see a short loading indicator. Once complete, the preview gallery will populate with the generated image. If the result doesn't match your vision, adjust your prompt right in the same field and click Generate again to iterate. Subtle tweaks such as changing sunrise to golden hour or adding soft shadows can make a noticeable difference. As you explore the results, you'll see that the interface is already set up with a clean, dark look that keeps the artwork front and center, and the gallery makes it easy to compare variations. That's it. Your AI image generator is live in preview, built from a single description, and ready for you to refine prompts and explore creative outputs.